We want to show you the device binding function that Bruce and Amjad has mentioned before. That's a new technique that we added into this utility, this software, especially for surveillance market. So, before the topology, you can only see ORing's devices like switches or access points. But now you can see what's behind the device, what's connected to the switch, like IP camera, PLC, PCs, all kind of devices with IP and MAC address can be shown here. All right, so, okay, so now it is our switch. This one is connected to IP camera, one IP camera, and also a PC. So it should be okay. So now, as you can see, the camera is there and the two PCs are connected. Okay, so you will enhance the management and control of the network, the whole network. Okay, so if there's any link down of the camera or anything, it will show red lines and problems as well. All right, then now let's move on to the web interface to clearly demo how the device binding function works. Okay, as you can see, there are three columns, major columns. The first one is a live check. I'm sure you are very familiar with the function already. It uses ping to check if the IP camera is still alive. Okay, and if the IP camera is dead and it's not replying, you can let the system automatically reboot the camera. You can set, there are options for you to choose. Okay, you can let the system reboot it. All right, that's a live check. However, sometimes the camera reply to pin, but the video stream is not properly set out. It's possible. So we add a new function, stream check. So it also monitor the video stream, the data flow. Okay, and if there is certainly a low point, you will send log to the user and sending alarm and telling him something is wrong, you might want to check it. Okay, so the first two is more for monitoring. And if you want to really actively do something, we need the last function, DDoS prevention. That's the new function. So with it, we can prevent our IP camera from being attacked by hacker. And now we'll show you how it actually works. So we will try without this function first, and you will see the camera will be crashed by a hacker very easily. So this switch is IGPS 7084 GCP. So there are 8 PoE ports, okay? And the IP camera is connected to the PoE port, so we are offering power to the camera. Okay, and this notebook here is hacker. Okay, now we didn't activate the DDoS prevention function, and if hacker attacks, okay, hacker.
Okay, now we disable DDoS function and act hacker software.
Okay. It's very easy for hackers to attack IP cameras. So we have a hacker system. So if it's activated, Okay, that's the hacker formula thing. So now, have you started the attack? Okay. Okay, so we have already started the attack, and when we try to access that IP camera, it's crashed already because the hacker is trying to make it unavailable for users to access that camera. All right, so now if we activate the DDoS, we have to go back to the web interface to activate DDoS prevention function. Okay, now it shows analyzing. It takes around 1 minute for the system to check because it has to monitor, observe the flow of the data stream first, get an average number of the flow, and then it will know that when a hacker attacks, there should be a sudden surge of the data stream, and it will know something is wrong. So it takes 1 minute for it to analyze first.
I ask you something till it's getting ready.
Sure.
Now you have that stream check.
Yes.
Will that detect, for example, if somebody puts a black cover on the lens so there is no more real stream?
I don't think so. Black physically, you mean?
Yes, you cover it, so it's blinded.
Actually, Bruno, sorry for interrupting. This is for the application point of view because this is nothing to do with the data traffic itself. So data traffic, because it cannot do the video analysis. So it is a video analysis software if it is implemented into your application market, that if it is covered or something like that.
So it is checking the stream by the video analysis?
No, our device won't detect the video stream by video analysis. Our device is checking the video stream by the data capacity. Like if it's a 10 megabits of capacity or data flow is in the dashboard, and it suddenly come up to like 20 megabits, or it's dropped to 2 megabits. So that's he will change or monitor the traffic flow.
Okay.
So it's amount of data transmission.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now it's running. Finish analyzing and it's running. Means that it has already been successfully activated. Okay, so now we're ready and we start the hacker attack again. Okay, so it's running and already attacking the IP camera. And let's see what will happen with this function. Okay. So you see, it shows attacked. Okay. And there's also log as well, log information, like port 7 and the DDoS attack, blocking 1 minute. You can choose what kind of actions you want the system to do for you, like block for 1 minute, block for 10 minutes, or simply just block the port totally, or shut down the device. You can choose the options. So now we try to access the camera, and it's still running, as you can see. So it prevents it from being attacked and make it normal running. Okay. So that's the device the advantage of having this new technique, device binding. Okay. So when we go back to the topology view, we can also see the cameras. Okay, so it also shows you here that something is wrong. Okay. All right, so that's the device binding is the new feature we added in. the PC on the bottom is red. That shows that's the one who is causing problems. So that's that one, the hacker one. Okay. So that's the basic idea of OpenVision and its functions. We just highlight the major features and functions. If you have any questions or you want to try any features, you can definitely come to us and try it here. Okay? So thank you for your attention.